Today I'm doing a what's my bag video. I'm currently in Addis Ababa airport. So here is what I have for my flight bag, or should I say my hand carriage. So here I have my Type-C charger as well as my iPhone charger. I also brought my laptop with me because of course you can't put your laptop in a box. I also have my power bank. This is a new power bank that I just bought because of course this is a trip to Nigeria. Who is going to Nigeria without a power bank? This is, I think, a receipt I got at the airport. Okay, the receipt for wrapping my bag at the airport. So that was it. And my receipt for my exit clearance, I think, at the airports in the Philippines. So it was here with me at the back. And of course, this thing really saved my life. Like, this weight carry is just accurate. I don't know, I still have it with me, and I'll continue to take it around whenever I'm traveling because it really helped me. This is my powder, my brown powder, and as well as, of course, my wipes. I need wipes like every time I'm traveling, or even if I'm not traveling, I'm just stepping out of the house, I need my wipes. This is the clothes I wore prior to me coming to the airport, as well as my oil, like that is like a moisturizer oil. And here is my wig bag. I just took this wig from this bag and just put it on my head, and then there was nowhere to put this bag anymore, so I just said, okay, let's just put it in my hand carriage. So that's why I have it in this bag. It was not meant to be in this bag. So here is my old passport as well as the new one, and the ticket that is with me. So of course, and there is my tablet. Okay, what else is in this bag? I think I should guess. What else did I put in this bag? What do you think? What is weird things you have in your bag if you are traveling? What do you think? Okay, that's my ACR card. I think my ATM card, snacks. Okay, my Bluetooth. Did I use this Bluetooth earpods? I don't. Oh yes, I did. And of course, Kiss card. I bought these snacks actually a lot for my siblings at home, but I just said let me take one just in case I'm hungry, because I noticed that the flight meal sometimes I don't know, it just doesn't go. So this is the laptop that I talked about earlier. So here am I trying to arrange my bag, and for some reason I have misplaced my purse. Do you see that brown purse over there? That brown purse over there, I've misplaced it. I don't know where I kept it. And now that I'm watching this video, it means it came here with me to Nigeria, and I think that's where my I don't know what is inside that purse. So now I have to start looking for that purse. So if you have watched to this point, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Like, comment. If you have not subscribed, why have you not subscribed? So subscribe to this channel, and then thank you for watching. I'm just going to rearrange my bag and then get to the flight because people are already boarding at this point. So I had to be fast, even though people are on queue. I don't know why you're already in front of the boarding gate. So why are you going to queue? Like, first class will still go, and I think business class and all those people will still go. So if you are in economy, why are you still queuing? Because they will still wait for us. They will wait for all of us. So I was just sitting down. Everybody is already queuing. Well, me and I think some three other people just sat down, since they're just queuing. It's not as if the line was moving at the point. So thank you for watching. I've already rambled throughout this video. So thank you. Bye.